Hi everyone, welcome back to another Bochiknot Macrame knot series tutorial. We will be going over the 3-ply and 4-ply braid today. The majority of people know the 3-ply braid, which is just your regular braid. The 4-ply braid is a little bit more intricate in that there's an added cord to make it 4-ply. These are great patterns for tassels or for macrame plant hangers, or to add layers onto a macrame wall hanging. And with that, let's begin. Starting with the 3-ply braid, what we're going to do is alternate which cord we take. So taking the right one over to the left, we will take the left over to the right and behind, and then the right one back over to the left. And then keep on repeating this pattern, and then you will start to notice a 3-ply braid form. You can continue on for as long as you'd like, but here is the 3-ply braid. As for the 4-ply braid, it's slightly more tricky, but starting with 4 cords, take the second cord from the left over to the left. Then take the 4th cord from the left over to the 3rd cord. And then cross the 2nd cord over the 3rd cord. Repeat this pattern. 2nd cord over the 1st, 4th cord over the 3rd, and then 2nd cord over the 3rd. Keep repeating this pattern for the 4-ply braid. The 4-ply braid might take you a little bit more time to practice and get better at compared to the 3-ply braid, but it is a more intricate and stunning pattern, so it will take a little bit more practice. If you guys are interested in learning any other knots and sennets, please refer to my Macrame knots and sennets playlist in Bochiknot, or you can check out my 50 knots and sennets tutorial. Don't forget to hit the like button for this video tutorial, and please click subscribe if you guys want to stay tuned for more macrame tutorials. Thanks, and I'll see you guys next time.